My name is Ebony, and I am the owner of Inobe Cleaning Services. I do residential, I do some Airbnbs, I dust, I sweep, I mop. Since I was young, my mom always made us clean up. So we made sure everything was clean before mom came home from work every day because she worked so hard. So that's just something I've been doing forever. I would love to focus more on the Airbnb side and also the commercial and facilities, like any warehouse type of things. It's like therapy for me. It feels good, it's relaxing, rejuvenating, and I like to make people happy, so it's very important.